So a very quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have here? As exactly mentioned in my last video, as you can see, price did pushed up, pull back down, pull back up. In my last video we had a nice double top pattern. I've mentioned that price is likely to push down from here, and which did happen. Let's quickly check what I've said in my last video so that we can understand the conditions. As you can see, we did not have a bearish engulfer, but we do have a valid double top pattern. So looking at that, I'm expecting a price to push down from here and not buying until the price hit this next level of support. To look for the condition at this point, I'm still looking at sell condition. We are getting a double top here. With that, I'm expecting a price to continue to push down in a trend. Awesome. So as you know, we are still bearish and looking at this bearish pressure with this double top pattern. Right here, price did pushed down, and now I'm still waiting for the price to hit my support zone, and it is still valid, which is 1.957 goes down to 1.818. This is a zone from where we are going to take our counter buy trade. Once the price hit this zone, look for bullish engulfers or our double bottom entry pattern or the pin bar 382. All these are my entry conditions. So still bearish, not expecting any bullish moves until we are completely broken above 50 EMA of the price dramatically push up due to some fundamentals. Only then I'll start look for my buy condition. For now, wait for the price to hit this zone. Patience is the key. All we need is a patience, and wait with the patience till the price hit this area of value. So keep an eye here for your conditions. Here on currency.com, as you can see, the price now pushing down, and I'm still waiting for the price to hit my area of value, which is here on currency.com is 2.037 goes down to 1.922, from where we can look for the buy condition wherever it hit first. If it hit first on Ovanda, I will enter my trade accordingly. Let's check gold. Right, so gold did pushed up again out of a trend continuation zone, bullish engulfer, and price has pushed up, hit the level of major resistance. At this point, I'll be looking for my entries on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. On 1 hour, if we get engulfers or double top pattern, I will enter my sell trade, or on 4 hour time frame, if we have another push up with the green candle followed by a red candle, I will enter my sell trade. So at this point, I'll only look for sell conditions. Enter only once the price action tells you to enter, which is our entry confirmation. Once we have that, we are good to go short. Here on silver, as you can see, after a long wait, price now pushed up to the level of major resistance, formed a double top entry pattern, and looking at that, now I'm expecting a price to push down from here at least 180, which is above 24 points. I'm expecting a price to push down, and once the take profit is hit, it's always better to enter and set your take profit and stop loss, both because when the market is pushing up in a trend, it hit your take profit, then continue to push up in a trend if not reversed. So once you enter, keep your stop loss and take profit, which is very important. Let's check crude oil. Right, so crude oil has now pushed up in the level of major resistance, and it did open crazily in gap up right here. And at this point, I want to see a good reason to enter. If you look at on 1 hour time frame, we are getting a nice double top pattern right here. So looking at that, I'm expecting a price to push down at least $0.50, at least $0.6, which is what ATR is telling us. We can still get a push up and get another bearish engulfer, and then price can likely to give you a pullback. That is enough to hit your targets. That is a condition on 1 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, if price keeps on pushing up, forms a bearish engulfer, then we are good to go short if you are trading on 4 hour time frame. So that is a condition I'm looking at on crude oil. Price is likely to give you a pullback before it can push up, or it can either reverse if you are managing your trade for reversal. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.